it's me again. Today we're gonna be making a chocolate porridge. So first I gotta show you the ingredients. So here's the coconut milk and water, vanilla, cocoa powder, maple syrup, hemp hearts, and our topping, coconut seeds, and chia seeds, and ground flax. So first of all, we are gonna heat up our coconut milk and water. So we're just gonna pour it in this pan. Next, our water. Always make sure to have a paper with the stove. Now it's starting to get warm, so I'm going to add the maple syrup, cocoa powder, and the vanilla. Now that's starting to simmer, I'm going to add my hemp, flax, and chia. First we got to turn it down low. Now I'll stir in some more until it's thick. That smells good. I'm gonna do a little sneak peek. Just gonna pour it. I'm going to sprinkle the coconut and then let it cool off for a little bit. Next, we're going to add the frozen raspberries. I'm going to try peanut butter on one and raspberry on the other. Raspberry time. Pretty good. Mom? Mom, can you get my frozen raspberries?